Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have the UREVO CyberPad for home. And UREVO is the global leading brand of smart fitness equipment. Check out their website. Their mission is to have smart fitness power your future. UREVO stands at the forefront as a global leader in innovative smart fitness equipment, elevating the intelligence and convenience of home fitness and office wellness. UREVO specializes in research and development and design for smart fitness products. They're at the cutting edge of sales with their amazing fitness products here. UREVO seamlessly integrates hardware and software and content to deliver a holistic fitness experience. I've been enjoying my new treadmill with all these features. I found them in researching what the best state-of-the-art treadmill would be, and UREVO makes it, the CyberPad. Their flagship product are their state-of-the-art treadmills, and they're available all across the USA, Europe, Asia, and other regions through main retail outlets and specialized fitness equipment stores. And also online, like you're going to see in the description box of my YouTube video. UREVO is committed to enhancing your fitness journey with unparalleled convenience. Check this out. I love this to use while I do all of my YouTube work. As I'm working from home, I can get some exercise because I spend a lot of time on my computer with managing my channel. And with the remote, it has an auto incline, which helps me get an extra workout while I'm working. To turn it on, you press the play button with one short click. The display will read exactly what the miles per hour is, which is nothing yet. So to start it, I'm pressing the plus button. And on it goes, and it starts at a very easy speed. So you can get your balance and decide how fast you want it to go. When it first goes on, it'll start at 0.6 miles per hour. It tells the time. I've been walking for over a minute now. And it tells me the calories I burned on the right, which is like 2 calories at this pace. So let's increase the speed. Up goes the speed. And we can see by the display, it's going faster and faster. This is 1.2 miles per hour. This is the speed I like to work at. I like my UREVO CyberPad for home work. It's great underneath my desk as my hands can click on the computer, and at this slow speed, it feels like a perfect pace for me to concentrate on what's going on my computer screen and get my workout in at the same time. And if I want a quick break, I just easily step on the foot rails to do so. I could have used the remote. I think I cheated a bit, but that makes it easy. And with the remote, I'm able to control the speed or stop it. If I press real quickly on the play button, it'll stop. And when it stops, it goes down very slow until it comes to a complete stop. I'm going to press play to start going again, and I'm going to show you the incline feature. The middle button, it's going to start right now. And let's go up a hill. You can feel it immediately. It has 9 incline levels. This is the highest. This is level 9. Now let's get some more speed on me. It will go to 4 miles an hour, but I really can't run that fast and work at the same time. So here's 2 miles an hour. That is a light jog for me. But for the fun of it, let's get it up to 4 miles an hour. I'll show you that. 3.9, 4 miles an hour. But I'm not getting on this because I know I'll take a tumble. But if you're an avid workout person, you might want to do a 4 mile an hour run. I don't know if I could really work going that fast on a treadmill, but you get the idea. I'm using it at a desk, but with this compact design, you can have it any place in the house that you want to get a workout. It has an expanded running deck, so you don't have to worry about falling off side to side while you're taking your run. You've got more room for your run, more space with a 30% larger running deck. And the body ratio of it is 2:1, twice as long as it is wide. And that gives you a great workout space for small homes, small rooms, and fitting under a desk like I'm using it here. And when you're done, it's best to bring your incline down to 0. I just keep pressing the left button on the side. It's a dynamic 14% maximum incline. It has mega lift technology. So here I am bringing the incline down. Let me get a little faster just because it's kind of pathetic. This is a comfortable 3 miles an hour. There are times I just want to burn fat with my workouts. Right here, I'm at horizontal, but with that incline, I could have had a 14% incline as the maximum incline. The Mega Lift technology gives that, and that means I'm burning calories by 40% more. But for today's demonstration, I don't want to run out of breath to tell you all these features. But for me, that's not going to last long. With the remote, it's really easy to adjust what you're doing. And here I am working, and we hear it's ultra quiet when it operates. It has a mega power brushless motor, and although that's a powerful, fast motor, it's built to be quiet. It's also built to be energy saving, so it's cost effective on your electricity and eco-friendly. Now check out me as I'm increasing the speed little by little with my remote control. Look at that LED display. It's really bright. I can see it clearly, even in this really well-lit room for this filming. We can see the speed I'm running in miles per hour. And here's the time I've spent on this workout. I'm over 9 minutes. And the distance indicator will toggle between distance and calories burnt for that one particular workout. It's only been 30 calories for this one particular workout. That's about 10 minutes. I better keep going. It's a motivating factor to know that. Sometimes my work is just too busy to be able to get a workout in, so I'm so happy I can work and do a workout at the same time. And the way that UREVO has made the CyberPad is not going to put extra strain on your muscles. It's absorbing the shock of my full body, so the impact on my feet and my ankles and my knees is lessened because of the shock absorbers within the UREVO CyberPad. It has a dual shock absorption system. They were inspired by automotive suspension technology. So UREVO gives me really great cushioning to protect my knees and tendons, even with me at my highest pace of running on this. High impact workouts are much better with their dual shock absorption system rather than running on asphalt or tracks. The walking pad treadmill has 8 built-in shock absorbers, which reduce the pressure on my joints, so my knees, feet, and ankles don't ache after my workouts. And it comes with LED lights, and to change the color, you just use the app. Let me show you. To change the colors of the LED lights, you go to the app and you click on your profile. Then you click on your device, which is my CyberPad for home. There's blue, orange, and many other colors to create a luminous mode. And with luminous, you can even ask it to follow the running bell. There's so many features on this app. And with the luminous mode, check this out. It's just traveling down my CyberPad. UREVO has thought of some really great features. This is a rear support foot, and you can adjust the position by picking it up on both sides, and that will lift the rear part of the running belt upward. Now I have a flat surface. The running surface itself has a lot of traction, which keeps you from slipping. The foldable incline option gives you the ability to increase or decrease your standard incline you're in. I like mine a little bit up, and that's how I use it, but this is where it's flat. And on your UREVO CyberPad app, there's even some motivational videos that you can put yourself inside of a scene. I just have this on my iPad, but imagine if you had a screen you could be looking at while you're doing your exercise. And you can pick one of many different landscape programs to follow along with the different intensity and distance levels, depending on what workout mood you're in. Let me show you. Today, I'm going to take a stroll through Lake Como in Italy. It will take me down the scenes of this famous Italian village. Take me right to the lake. Okay, got it. 3, 2, 1, go. And this is the way I'm walking. And on the left-hand side, you can change the incline just by dragging your thumb up or down. And on the right-hand side, you can change your speed with the same way. Pressing it up, that's gonna go faster on your walk in Lake Como. And the screen's gonna change. So you are going down that path fast. Pretty cool to take a walk in Italy during my workouts. And it's really easy to store underneath furniture. I can just take it out from underneath my coffee table. And as you're sliding it out, it's rolling on wheels, so it's not going to scratch your floor. And you can lift it all the way up, and it stands up by itself. And to put it underneath the table again, I just fold it down and it slides right back in. It's easy to handle, so it's not going to clutter up your room. When you order your UREVO CyberPad, it comes right to your door. I took it in my house and laid it on my kitchen floor. This is the box it came in. I snipped off the plastic and opened the box, and this is how it came packaged. There's styrofoam and plastic wrapping. I took everything out. The pad itself is wrapped in plastic well, so it won't get scratched during shipping. And here is what the pad looks like without the wrapping on it. They were careful with extra plastic on the logos and on the LED screen. These two red pads are rubber feet, so when it stands upright, it's not scratching anything as well, and it's stable. On each side, it has a double wheel roller, and those are made of hard plastic, durable, and with a material that will not scratch your floors. This is a close-up, so you can see how freely it moves on the rollers and how you place it down to stand up straight. Unfolding it is smooth and easy. Here's how smoothly it rolls along. On the top side of it are the connection with the power on button and a scan code. You insert the electrical cord in the 3-prong insert. Here's the on and off switch. The QR code is right there, so you can download the fitness app. Here is a texture of the walking pad itself. It has a rough texture to it, so you don't slip. Here's some close-ups of the texture. I ran my hand over it. It feels kind of like sandpaper, but not quite that rough. I stood it up on my kitchen floor, and here it is from top to bottom, standing up by itself. Here is a handle so you can move it easily. Here is a rear support feet. So when you're using it, you're allowed to create your UREVO CyberPad to go perfectly horizontal by pulling them both out, like I'm doing right here for a very flat surface. By pushing them in, I'm able to get more incline for the maximum incline effect. And here I am demonstrating that with a really good close-up picture so you can see how they work. There's an accessory kit. I took everything out and laid it on a mat so you can see what you get. The electrical cord is on the left, and here is a hex key and a bit of oil they give you. The hex key is to center the walking pad, and the lubricating oil is a good idea to have for the belt, and also if you need it to center it and then make adjustments. The lubricating oil helps with that. They give you a fold-out pamphlet for the app with some features on the back as well. The owner's manual is well illustrated and easy to understand. I'm flipping through it so you can see. And then in this box is where the remote is packaged. It comes with 2 AAA batteries and connection instructions. The remote size is great, fits right in your hand. I put the batteries in and I was ready to go. To power up your UREVO CyberPad, there is a 3-prong plug that fits in any 120 North American household outlet. The other end of the cord is also 3-pronged that fits right into the CyberPad itself, and I turned it on. I downloaded the app, which you can do from App Store or Google Play, and it sets up like all apps do. In just a few screens, I was connected. I connected to my device, and tutorial screens came up, showing me all the different places I could go with a data center so I can keep track of my workouts and my world tours. I had many choices. It was easy to set up so I could get right to my workouts, which happened to be while I'm working on my computer, and I was off to the races while I got some work done. Wow, what a great workout for home. Click the link to get your UREVO CyberPad for home workouts. Whew. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes for life. And today's recipe is one to stay fit while you're still working on what you need to get done during the day without having to leave your home to do it with UREVO. If you like this video, there's more over there, including some very healthy recipes for you and your family. Just click.